Hey everybody, welcome to Thursday's edition of the Posh Premiere. Once again, tonight I have several items to show you. I didn't get any suggestions, so I just kind of randomly picked some things. But I think that it just gives you, a representation of what's in my closet and what I would like for you to take a look at. If you missed the super fantastic sale, I'm sorry for you, but I want to tell you that starting tonight, this Thursday version, I'm going to run another special, and that special is going to be anything in the closet that's $20 or less will be 50% off. So you're still getting a deal, not as great as the deal as we had for, April 1st through 5th, but that's okay. Once again, the goal is to purge the closet. The goal is to get down to things that people actually want to see in my closet. And the goal also is to keep people engaged. And if you're bargain babes, the way you stay engaged, if you're anything like me, is somebody tells you about a bargain or somebody tells you about a discount and you're there. So I hope that we will do better with this special, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the items, and then I'm going to encourage you to, if you're not a member of the Bargain Babes group, to go ahead and join it and to share with your friends so that we can increase our membership. Before I go to the close, I did want to mention that I had a big goal, and the goal was to have 1,200 members by the end of March. Obviously, we didn't reach that goal, but there's still time. So go ahead and tell your friends about this group and see if we can get closer to that goal. Thanks. First up, I have this duster. This is by Catherine's. This is a size 3X. Here's the sleeves. Here's the back. Now it says 3X, but I don't know. It just looks to me like it can go anywhere from like a medium on up. But it's not terribly long. I think it probably will come, probably right at your hips. But it's stretchy fabric. It's a cute pattern. This is available in the Poshmark closet. Next up, I have this blouse. It's a size large. This blouse is really cute. It's by New Directions. It has a little elastic band at the waist. You can see that. And it kind of hangs. The sleeves are wide, kind of bell sleeves. Here's the back. This is like a peasant style to me. But this probably needs to have something underneath it or not. But again, it's a size large. It's available in my closet. Next up is this tunic top. It has the sleeves with the button on the sides. It has a little pleat in the back. It has a V-neck, and it has kind of a curved hem. Let's see, any splits on this? No splits on it. But this item is by Lush, and it's a size medium. Available in the Posh closet. Next up are these faux leather pants. They look like skinny jeans styling. These are a size 1X. They're by Shine Star, and there's plenty of stretch in them. They're straight legged. Look at the back pockets. You can't get too much in there, but why would you want to? But then they have 2 pockets on the front as well. Shine Star, size 1X. Next up is this camo jacket. Now, I showed some earlier. They're a little bit heavier. These are more lightweight and darker in color, I think. All right, so you got 2 pockets there, 2 pockets at the bottom. Let's see. 1 button closure. This is the back. You have the little tabs on the shoulder. This one is a size large, and that's large for men, I believe. So this is not the military issue, but this is a nice one too. It's lighter weight than that other one. And to me, this is going to hit like right wow, this one's pretty long. Between your thigh and your knee, this is kind of long. And it may be that, you know, I'm taking up some space. So if you're a smaller lady, it may be a little bit longer on you. But again, let me just repeat. This is a size large camo jacket available on the Posh Closet. Next up is this vintage blazer. Now, some of you are going to know about this and some of y'all won't know a thing about it. But look at the maker, Weather Vane. How many remember Weather Vane? Oh my goodness. But this is kind of, it's a woolen blend. Here's the sleeves. No split in the back, it just comes straight down. This is a dark blue. I think this is a navy color, but it has 2 pockets on the front. They're real pockets. You've got your vintage style lapel. Let me see what else I can tell you about it. You got the little lines, the darts right here. I need to dust it off a little, and I'll do that. Made in the USA. See that? Made in the USA. By Weather Vane, size 16. Available in my Posh Closet. Next is another little spring jacket. This is a size small. It has a pretty green lining on it. It's by Molly and Max. And the sleeves, you know, you can fold them up or not. See that? Here's the back. It's a cute little flower pattern. I can see it with like a little camisole underneath. And then there's a little hook and eye closure right there. Or you can keep it open. This is Molly and Max, size small. Next up is this is just really different. I really like this. This is I'm going to call it a vest, I guess. It's not really a jacket because there's no sleeves in it, but I just want to show you the little detail. Look at that. It has 2 pockets. It's really frilly and feminine, I think. You have a ruffle type collar. This is by Hawasak Lee, made in Australia. Look at the zipper. That's cute. Look at the waist. And then in the back, the ruffle, of course, follows through. And it kind of flares out a little bit. I think this is really cute. And it has that same pattern on the hem. So this is, I'm calling this a vest. But you can call it what you want. Just go ahead and purchase it. This is available in the Poshmark Closet. Hawasaki Lee. Did I tell you the size? Let's see. It's a size medium, but I think you can, you know, it's not limited to medium at all. All right, next I got some handbags. And these are, they're not Brahmin, of course. They just have that look to them. This has a shoulder strap to it. That's the inside. Plenty of pockets and compartments. A cute little inside. Little place for your cell phone. Let's see. Nothing there. Let me show you the side. It shows, you know, it lets you see how far it can go, how wide it can go. And this is sort of like a salmon color. It has a cute little sticker right there. And this is the brackets that hold it on. I think it's really cute. Nice size. Available in the Posh Closet. This one, too, is kind of an oversized type thing. It has a little zipper part right here. You can put stuff in there. This has the shoulder strap already attached. This has the same kind of lining as that other one. A little zipper pocket right here. Let's see what else we got. That's it. You can put the, you know, have the shoulder like that. Look at the little attachments, little brass looking strap attachments. It has no feet at the bottom, but it's nice and wide. It shows you how much stuff you can get in here. This is available in the closet as well. Let me see. This is cute. This is kind of like a canvas. I'm making no authentication here. I just want you to see this bag and what it says on it. It has a little zip at the back. There's the bottom. Let me see how much room we have on the inside. You probably don't have that much room on the inside, but we do have some, and you have a little zipper closure right there. So this is a cutie. And then, I've shown these before, but I'm going to show them again. This is the Kenneth Cole Reaction Purse Backpack. It's really wide. You can get a ton of stuff in here. You got the straps. You got the zipper here. You can hang it like that. You've got a drawstring right there. It's pretty, you know, big. You can get a lot of stuff in there. This is available on the Poshmark closet. I'll let you see the name on there. So go over there and get this bad boy. This is by DSW. This is like a nylon type backpack. It has some cute detail on it too. That's the side. Here's the straps. I like the little quilting right here. Then of course you have a little compartment in here. Little side pocket if you want to stick your water or whatever you want to stick in there. It must see about the roominess on the inside. All right, so if you look on the inside, you still have some more little compartments to put stuff in. This is by DSW. It's pretty wide. This is available in the Poshmark closet. Y'all go over there and get it. And that is all that I have to show you for this evening. The point that I wanted to make really clear here is that anything that you get that's $20 or less is going to be 50% off. So you just need to make a bundle, send it to me, make an offer. You go ahead and do the math before you send me the offer, and then I will accept your offer, and I will mail the products to you, and you'll have them in a matter of 2 or 3 days. Once again, I appreciate you watching this premiere. I appreciate your business, and I would just encourage you to subscribe with that little pink button right there. Go to the description box, click on the item that you're interested in, and that link will take you right to it. You don't have to scroll through the closet or anything, but you can. You know, I'm not stopping you from doing that. But again, I thank you for your attention tonight, and I look forward to receiving your offers. Thank you. Bye-bye.